Hey everyone, if you're seeing too many Temu ads in Google Chrome, don't worry. I've got a super simple fix for you. Let's block those ads in just under 2 minutes. First, open up Google Chrome on a computer. On the top right corner, click on the 3 vertical dots to open the menu. From there, select Settings to open up the settings page. In the settings menu, scroll down and click on Privacy and Security. Now we'll go ahead and click Site Settings to manage what gets shown while browsing. Now click on Popups and Redirects. Make sure it's set to Blocked. This will stop most unwanted pop-ups, including ads from Temu that appear while browsing. For more control over ads, head to the Chrome Web Store and search for an ad blocker like AdBlock or uBlock Origin. Click on Add to Chrome and then follow the prompts to install it. Once it's done, you'll see an extension icon on the top right. Click on it and make sure it's enabled to block ads on all sites including Temu. This will block Temu ads and many other intrusive ads while you browse. Pro tip, you can also go Settings, Privacy and Security, Cookies and all site data and select Block third-party cookies to limit ad tracking further. This adds an extra layer of privacy while browsing. And that's it, you've successfully blocked Temu ads on Google Chrome. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe for more helpful tips. Catch you in the next one.